Look at this. I don't care. Okay? I want that Zateria and that doll. Because that doll is especially my property. Because that doll was made for me. That doll was created, and it was created by the centuries of that medieval times. I want that doll back from that Zateria now.
Look at this. Jimmy, you don't know what to do. Okay, I noticed that. Order us to go and get the doll for you. You notice that it's going to be a lot of work. And notice that to be helping us go like, you're helping us. Notice that you wanted something and you shouldn't, or it's what? Oh, jeez, what the? How can she? I don't know. Hey, come on, that's the thing is that she's a tomboy, you know that. Don't just call her a she, you know. You got her other personality. She's gonna make her more angrier like that. Okay? So, wait, where are we going? I don't know, but hold tight. Alright. What happened? And where are we? We just ran into a palace. What the? Guys, what is that approaching? You guys, what is it? That's a storage barrier. Stand back. Okay, just stand back there. What the? Is that a knight, but it's small, like a doll, and it's walking? Wait, why is it like approaching to us? You guys, come on. You're not afraid of us. You're not afraid of it. Okay? You should treat it like it's afraid of us, alright? You know what you do? So focus on it. I'm trying to focus on it. I got my sword ready, and it's approaching. Wait, what is it, man? It's approaching! It's approaching! Okay. Come on, guys. Swords out. Ready to fight. Alright, ready! Ah!
That's what happens when you come to my house, leave my kingdom, bitches. Zateria, you can come out now. The coast is clear. They're handled. The enemies that broke it in, they're handled in here.
Good job, my guardian. Good job. Thank you for handling these enemies, these enemies. Good job. I gave you to it. My girl, thanks for doing it. Now I should rest.